What's good, YouTube? Couple things I just went and grabbed from Harbor Freight. First thing, it's a LED flashlight. This thing is super bright. Let's see this thing. I say bright. Yeah, this thing is really bright. When I got all the garage door open, and you can see how bright this thing is compared to this little thing I got here. I think the battery probably dying in it too, but still, it's not bright enough. Yeah, so I like that one. There's a rechargeable one. I thought Haberfield was the one carrying it, but they actually not. I might have to order it online. But this is battery for right now. It was only $9. So, and then second thing, it's the cutting wheel. Grab me a few of them because I'm running out. A magnetic glove tissue dispenser. I'm going to have it right on here. I grab me a welding gloves. No, I've been using those regular Harbor Freight gloves, so I couldn't do much with it because I was not able to hold the tip of the welder properly without burning myself. So I went ahead and grabbed me a pair of gloves. And last thing is the putty knife set. Actually need this thing for the top of the roof. I don't know if you guys can see. The roof is in great shape, but I gotta take all that crap out because I'm gonna epoxy and sandblast out the roof too. So all that crap gotta come out. So yeah, YouTube, that's what I got for you guys. It's super nice out. It's like 60 degrees. I got both garage door open. If you guys see, it's like 60 degrees in here. So I'm gonna try to get some stuff done with the garage door open. That way I can let the fume, whatever I'm working on, out. So yeah, YouTube, that's what I got for you guys. I get focus on this car so I can get it out of here and bring that frame over here and have this car outside. Oh, I got a windshield. It's a free windshield for the Chevelle. Needs to clean up. Nothing wrong with it. It was for free. So I'm probably not gonna use it. I probably got buy brand new anyway, but I probably put it online for $50 or something. But it was free. So anyway, that's what I got for you guys.